Hey, what's up? This is Jay. You're watching Tech Wave, and I'm out here. I'm about to go fly my Mavic Air that I just got back from DJI. I just got it replaced. I ended up crashing it a couple days ago, or a few months ago, and I just got it back, so I'm about to go fly it right now. By the way, if you're new to the channel, and I don't know if the YouTube algorithm brought you back here or not, I am Jay. I do all sorts of tech videos and Plex videos and just anything about tech and drones and all that stuff. So just keep watching. If you like it, subscribe, that'd be great. If not, you can still watch and still enjoy it, no problem at all. So I'm actually gonna go get some tea and just to get some drinks while I'm flying. But it's called Bubba Tea. I don't know if you guys heard of it or not. I'm going to this place and I'm gonna go get something to drink real quick. Alright, so actually a slight change of plans. I'm just gonna get some coffee. The tea place is way too crowded. I'm not going through all that. So just gonna get some coffee real quick. Alright, so we're at the spot that I usually go to. Let's do this. Alright, so my SD card actually just ran out of space, so I had to go and change it up and just come back another day. So the first time I crashed my drone, was actually right here. I just flew way too far, and then I just flew past the battery limit, and then I just took way too long flying. I went past the fly home warning and all that stuff, so my drone pretty much ended up crash landing right here, and then like it didn't just drop from the sky, it went down really slow and I couldn't really control it. After that, one of the batteries, it just died. Like, it would not work. I got that red flash, or the red light on the charger, which means that the battery is pretty much done. You can't reuse it or fix it or anything like that. So I just never used that battery. And then the second time, I actually crashed it again here, and that was kind of my fault, because let me show you. That tree right there, you can't really tell in the camera that much. Yeah, see, there's a lot of branches over there. Yeah, I was just flying way too close to it, and then I don't know how, but my drone went inside the branches. Like, there was enough space inside one of the branches that it was just flying inside, and then I tried getting it out, and then I think the obstacle avoidance would not let me do that because it was sensing all these little branches to the side, and then it just wouldn't let me move. So I tried getting it out, turned off the obstacle avoidance, but it was still doing something weird. And then the propellers just caught up on one of the branches, and then it just crashed down. Again, it dropped pretty fast, but it didn't actually hit the ground fast enough. Like, it kind of went down and then it just started floating really quick, which is really nice because it didn't actually hit the ground too hard. So luckily my drone was still okay. It's hot. But then I saw that the batteries would keep dying out really quick. So what happened was, I would be flying, and then like the battery would be at 30%, and then all of a sudden it would just hit the critical value, which is like the red bar in the app, and it would just do the same thing. It would drop. And then my third battery, which is 100% fine, never been in a crash or anything, I flew that and it kept doing the same thing, and then it dropped in my backyard, nothing too hard or anything, because it was just on grass. I did that and then it just stopped working. So I was like, okay, this has got to be the drone, it's not the battery. So I talked to DJI Care, and they said they could fix it because I had the Care refresh, and they said they can just replace the drone for like $70 or something, which I did, and it came with the battery, so that's good. But that was a waste of 3 whole batteries because I had to fly more combo. Oh my god, man, that's such a waste. That's like $160 worth of batteries that I wasted, which sucks. And I paid $160 for the new drone because, you know, DJI Care was like $80, and I had to pay another $70 or something for the drone. See, if I had just flown safely and just listened to the app, my drone would have been fine. If I didn't fly out that far, I would have been good. I could have had enough time to come back, and I would have landed my drone completely safe. But I just flew way too far, way too long. I messed up. And the second time I was flying over my limits, which is way too close to that branch. I could have paid my car bill for 1 month with that much money. Oh my god, man. Could have did so much with that. So the lesson of all this is to fly to your limits. Just be careful, because even though this time it was just my drone that got messed up, other times if you crashed it like that, you could land on people. You can probably crash it on a road or something, because as you can see, I'm pretty close to the road right there. So it could have just crashed onto the road, and then it could have caused a pileup because it's a highway. So, because I never fly that close, but it can still happen, because when it crash lands like that, you actually don't have that much control of it, and it could just fly over there. So you gotta be really careful. So yeah, lesson learned. Never do that again. Gonna fly safely. Hope you guys do the same. So seriously, guys, just fly to your limits. Be safe. Don't crash your drone trying to get that perfect shot, because I guarantee you there will be a ton more perfect shots that you can get with a fully charged battery flying in a safe way. So I'm telling you, don't do that. just enjoy the moments and just fly carefully. And by the way, DJI was actually pretty good. Their customer service was not too bad. I can see what people say now. It's not the perfect, best customer service because they actually don't really know what they're talking about sometimes. Some people do, some of the customer service representatives, they don't really know that much about the product or DJI Care Refresh. Because I asked them, what do I have to send with my drone? And some of them, they weren't too specific, and then another person I talked to was really specific. I think if they just train their employees a little better on that topic, I think they should be all right. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. This is my first time vlogging, so I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just coming out here, I'm just saying stuff to the camera. It just feels so weird, but so yeah, if you like that video, leave a comment, like, subscribe. If you don't want to, it's all good. Just keep watching. See you next time.